Hello guys, today I've got the HONOR MagicPad 4 and I'm going to show you how to fix that this tablet is not charging. At first, check the basics. This is actually the most common fix. Try a different USB Type-C cable, try a different charger, preferably the original HONOR or fast charger, or plug into a different power outlet. Many not charging cases are just faulty cable or weak charger. Don't worry, the not charging up failure is usually caused by something simple like the cable, port, or software glitch. So, if you checked all these things and you still don't succeed with fixing, well, you need to go deeper. You need to clean the USB Type-C port. Dust or lint can block charging. So, gently check the USB Type-C port. You can use some flashlight, as you can see, to flash here and check if you have some lint. And if you do, you need to clean it with some soft brush or wooden toothpick, but of course you need to do this carefully. Don't forget that this is of course some electronic device and this is very easy to to damage. Avoid of course metal objects to put inside the charging port because it can be it can damage it too. Apart from that, you can try to force restart the tablet. So hold the power and volume down and hold this until you see that your tablet is turned off. Now it's turned off. Let me hold it in until we see the HONOR logo. Now you can lower it. Let it restart and then plug charger back in. It should be good for you. Sometimes the system freezes and stops charging detection actually. After plugging in, look for the charging icon in the top right corner. Try charging while screen is off and leave it for 10 to 20 minutes if battery was fully drained. And that should be it. If it still doesn't work for you, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Goodbye.